What's inside the box? What do you think we ordered?
I don't know. What is it?
Let's find out.
All right.
All right, so we ordered something really cool, and Dawn's here to help me with this unboxing.
Because I don't know what it is.
You don't? I didn't tell you?
No, you ordered it and I didn't know.
Well, deal with it. It's really cool, though.
Okay, I knew you ordered something. I just didn't know what it was.
All right. Oh, it's a big box. I ordered the full kit and caboodle.
All right. You ordered brown paper.
I ordered brown paper, yes. Okay, these are suction cups.
Oh, it's like when you're working with glass. That's
Oh,
kinda
I got
cool.
this too. Look, how cute is that?
Oh, is that USB we saw? Oh, we saw it was on our Facebook.
Yeah, from Sweet Pea. Well, you can see it's all this is from Sweet Pea.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, and it's really cool rulers. Maybe you could open that for me.
Okay.
I'm going to move the box, and I'm going to put the rulers out, so we can check them out. These are special rulers.
I don't know how to get into it. It's adult proof.
Scissors.
Oh, there we go.
Scissors.
They're in the bag.
No, it's not scissors, though.
Oh, I thought they were trim scissors when I first saw it.
No. No.
There you
Look.
go.
Look how cute that is. Isn't that cute? I don't really need a small USB, but I couldn't resist how cute it is. Isn't that sweet?
I like it. How big is it?
Just one gigabyte. Most of the machines don't want to read huge.
Okay.
Yes,
so
and they're actually
especially for it's good size.
You don't want to put instructions or anything. It'll hold a ton of embroidery designs.
On it.
Yeah, and that's all it's for. It's not for
Well, it's cute.
anything else. They're actually getting hard to find because they're small, and the machines really
They don't work.
Jeez, Dawn. As I was saying before someone tried to cut me with the USB, they're getting hard to find, and the machines simply will not read the big.
Yeah.
I know we have 2 terabyte ones. The machines will not read them.
No.
So therefore you can't transfer them, so that's why they made them small. And super cute. I love the tag too. Sweet Pea, yay. Alright, so let's talk about these rulers. I'm going to
Is that what the suction
pick
cup's
one.
for?
No, it's for your forehead, Don.
Okay, I'm going to put it on my forehead.
Please don't. Please don't. We're looking at rulers. So I got every size of ruler. I got the whole pack. And I'm going to show you guys what they're for. Can you put these over there? It's a bit of a reflection. You can see my light. I'll try to hold it up. So, okay, what these rulers are, and it's absolutely fantastic. So, hoop size, 5 by 7. Cutting size, 7 by 9. There, now you can see it a little bit. But here's your hoop. Kind of like your grid. And then it's bigger, so it's 7 by 9. So, if you want to cut out a piece of fabric to the exact size of what you need.
So the inside one is your hoop size.
Yep. The actual
Nice.
stitching part.
Your
Yeah.
stitching
They
field.
come with little
Yeah.
holes so you can hang them up and keep them organized. This,
That's kind of awesome.
yeah, a time saver. So what these suction cups are for, if you order these from Australia, they ship them with a little handle right here so you can do it because they're manufactured there or they're from there. But any other place, it costs too much money to send it because it would make it huge, right?
Right.
So they send them flat and they give you some suction cups. So I think it's really cool. Oh, it's just one side. So whichever one you're using, boom, there you go. Look at that.
Oh, that's super handy.
So plunk it down,
it's not going anywhere.
cut it out. It's not going
You're
anywhere.
not going to shift or anything.
And the other thing that's really cool is storage. If you want to, store your rulers, you don't have to have, bulk. Just hang them up. I'm going to hang them up right here or in my cutting station and do it like that. And then just when you want to use it, just use it.
That's awesome.
So this is going to be a huge time saver. I am notorious for hacking out the backing fabric and not doing it right, or, you know, too much sort of thing. So this to me is brilliant and almost like a dream come true. It's gonna save all the guesswork and save my precious materials. So let's take this part off and let's look at the sizes that we have. I bought the whole kit. Oh, they're nice and thick too. Do you notice that?
They are.
So this is 5 by 5, cutting size 7 by 7. I love it. 7 by 7. So 5 by 5, I don't think I have that hoop, but
No, I think he has 6 by 6.
6 by 6 on McDreamy, which is my brother Dream machine. This one is, oh, the 6 by 6, cutting size 8 by 8. I have needed an 8 by 8 template forever. Forever. This is the first time I've been able to find it. So what I'm going to use this one for is obviously for the 6 by 6. When I'm doing Sweet Pea designs that I want the batting to be 8 by 8 perfectly, this is going to save me a huge amount of time. So I'm going to love this one for sure. What's next? 8 by 8, 10 by 10. Okay, so the hoop size is 8 by 8, and we're going to add an extra 2 inches on it, and your piece will be 10 by 10, which is also the size of a layer cake. So I'll be using that one a ton. A ton. We also have smaller, so 4 by 4. So this is your 4 by 4 hoop, and this is your actual stitching area. We had a little light change, so hopefully this is better. Yeah, it's much better. So you can see, so it's hoop size 4 by 4, cutting size 6 by 6. Okay, there we go. We don't need that. Ooh, we're getting bigger. Bigger. So this is hoop size 6 by 10, cutting size 8 by 12. Wow. So these rulers are specifically made for embroidery. There is no other like real use for them. You're not trying to adapt a quilting ruler. How cool is that? I am so excited. Oh,
I'm stealing this one.
Why?
Because it's for my H1 hoop.
Oh. Oh, it is too.
Almost.
Wouldn't
7,
that,
not 8.
wouldn't that
More
save you a
8 by
lot
12,
of?
But yeah.
Won't that save you a lot of time? This is what we were looking
Well, yeah,
for.
it would.
We were
'Cause
actually.
then when you're cutting, you cut your material out and it hoops perfectly and everything's held right.
Yeah, so you can even find a use for
Oh
them.
yeah, I could. Yeah.
That's amazing.
That's what I would use it for. I would cut out my H1 sizes with that.
Yeah, H1 means Harry. That's the machine that we started off with many years ago. So we just, instead of saying, oh, the, 8 by 10 hoop, we just say H1, H2. Yeah, Harry is our 6-needle brother. How old is Harry?
Harry?
15 years old, 6-needle. And he has like a gazillion stitches on him. He's a weird
I think he's in the billions.
I think he's in the billions.
Sure.
We just had Don replace the motor, and that's it. He's been healthy as anything.
Only had a main motor change, and that's it.
Okay, so I will share this one with you. You're going to have to take one of these. There you go. Whoops.
Oh, suction
staticky.
works really good.
No, it's just a bit staticky. So, sorry it's pink, but...
You're not getting it back. If you give it to me, you won't get it back.
Okay, go away.
Right.
No way. So anyways, useful. I thought this was great. I thought it was a brilliant idea. I think everybody will be able to use these. Save you time. It's going to save you fabric, so it'll save you money. It'll save you backing. It'll save everything. And I think they're truly fantastic, and I'm really excited. You guys will see me using them in different videos because this is how I'm going to cut everything out. Other than the 10 by 10, I'm just going to be using the layer cakes for that one. But amazing. Truly amazing.
I really like the handle.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. The ones from Australia have just like a plastic handle on it, so you grab it this way sort of thing. But I
It's
like this.
equally as good though, and you can get a good strong hold on it.
Oh
so it
yeah,
doesn't
it's just
shift or anything.
fine. No,
Especially if you're using like a mat or something.
this is where this is going to come in handy. Although,
Yeah.
remember, this is not a cutting mat.
Oh, true.
Yeah, it is not a cutting mat. It's a hooping mat, so you really have to be careful with that. Don't cut on this.
Even on a cutting mat, though, you can get enough down pressure to hold it with the suction cups. That's
Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. What I like, I think actually these ones might be a little bit better because storage. I can easily hang them up.
Nice
I
and
don't have
flat.
to worry about
You just
anything.
need one long peg.
Yeah,
hook,
yeah,
and that's it.
yeah. You can hang them anywhere, keep them
And
handy.
actually, your suction cup will hang on the end of the hook too.
Yeah, it'll
So
work.
all on one.
So I think it's brilliant. I'm really excited about these. I purchased mine, and remember, I'm in Canada, so anyone can order them. They ship from the US, but it didn't take very long to get here. I ordered them on the first day that they were available because I thought, yeah, this is an answer to a lot of the problems that we have. And time-wise, I'm just thinking, fantastic.
Was there any choice in colors of these? Or
No, this is how it is. Yeah, just, well, you want to be able to see your fabric, because that's another thing that I thought of that this can do. Because they're see-through, you could also fussy cut, because you can see.
Yeah, you can.
This will solve all the fussy cutting. You can see this is the stitching part of the hoop. So put some fabric underneath it and you can move it around and then cut out a perfect square.
Placement exactly how you want.
Exactly how you want it. So you can also fussy cut with this, and I think that's amazing. So hopefully you guys love these as much as I do. I am so excited to be using them. It's awesome. I am maybe going to share with Dawn. We'll see. But
No, she won't. I'm just saying that.
I probably am, yes. Here, you can use the USB.
I don't use USBs.
Oh. Well, too bad I shared.
I have all of the machines hooked up to one computer.
I know. I know. Well, anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. This was just an unboxing. We'll do another video on how to use them and how to be more efficient in what you're doing. I'm thinking you could cut, if you were making wall hanging, you could just cut everything out, which I enjoy doing, and have everything ready to go, for sure. For
Efficiency.
sure. Efficiency and frugal. Embroidery on a budget. Frugal, because you're not wasting material anymore. I don't know about you guys, but material here in Canada is really expensive, and I don't want to waste any of it. So
I go through a whole lot of it.
A whole lot of it, I know. So spend a little bit of money on Sweet Pea rulers and save a lot of money on your fabric. That was my idea. So we will do another video working with these and showing you guys exactly how to use them. I was just excited to unbox them and get playing with them. So thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.